Hey, what's up guys, this is Arun and welcome to my channel of Arun's Creation, in which we teach Photoshop, photography, Lightroom, Illustrator, After Effects, graphic designing, logo designing, VFX. So very quickly make a new file, click on new, then you have the width 1366, height 768, resolution 72, and I have one preset. This is, you can even download it from the description of this video. Firstly, I will apply this here directly on here. Okay, that's fine. So this is very cool tutorial. Okay, that's fine, and that's fine, and I will even, you can change the direction of this brush. Like this. Very cool effect we are getting. Okay, that's fine. That's very cool. Okay, now take your portrait. So this is my image. I want to use it on my project. Double click there. To unlock this layer, choose this move tool and drag it to this paint splash file. Okay, now go to image adjustments. I want to make it black and white. Click on OK, move it to down, close it. Okay, now make a new layer and fill it with white. So inactive this, select this paint splash layer. I want to select the black portion only. To get selection, go to select, then color range. In color range, I want to cover up all the gray and black portion, so that I have set its fuzziness value to 200. Now click on OK, you will get the selection, and inactive this layer. Okay, now select this white layer and invert the selection by pressing Ctrl Shift I. Now hit on mask. Now you have the mask. This is my portrait image. Right click on there and convert it to smart object. Ctrl T to transform it, so that we can make it bigger. That's fine. Okay, Ctrl 0 to fill it with screen on the full screen. Sorry. Now I'm ready. Ctrl Z. Now this is my portrait. I want to put small special effect to it. Go to file, then next software, then color effects. So I'm in the color effects. I want to boost this detail extraction. Okay, add some more filter and cross balance I will try. Okay, okay, leave all these other things. Now click on OK. Now you have something like this, before, after. Okay, now make a new layer on there and again choose but I think I should go further with a different thing. Go to adjustment layer, then gradient, then we have this gradient. That's nice. Now click on OK and you can set its blend mode to screen. Even you can do it. Okay, click on OK and okay, click on OK, click on OK again. Go to this layer and I will try to do some play with the Okay, that's fine, it's looking cool. Set its blend mode to screen, and I will try also this blue shade. Screen. Okay, now it's looking cool. So I think you enjoy this video, and keep in touch with us on YouTube as well as on Facebook. Thank you friends, keep watching Arun's Creation.